code of the check. Where do they send the check to?
The second set of number is your personal account number. So that's
The house address of where that money is. So when a bank receives a check to cash it, first thing they do, they identify what bank it comes from. And some people who work in banks know some of these routing numbers. I worked in a bank for a while when I was going to college, and there was this woman who'd been there for 15 years, and could look at a routing number and be like, oh, Chase, they charge a lot of extra. Like, it was funny how well she knew the routing numbers. Okay? But these are given for every bank. All right? The account number is specific to your account.
Justin,
Okay.
I suggest you put the iPod on because if Lee has these, you should take it away.
You got fired? Who?
Lee here.
You got fired?
The girl who's at the desk, right?
Okay.
I'm sending them message and take it away.
You got fired?
All right,
I
so
missed a day at work yesterday.
those are two things. What else goes in this check? We
Your
need
name.
to write up. You guys might have also seen sometimes they have your name up here and your address.